In this video, we're going to continue with Chapter 6 on circles. We're in Section 6.7 talking about arc length. So let's take a look at Example 1, Part A. And we're going to move this X over to the solid part of the circle here that represents the 300 degrees. So we want to find the arc length. So if I was standing over here and I wanted to walk all the way around the circle over to here, how far would I have walked? So I can see I would have walked 300 degrees. That's the arc measure. So let's go ahead and put that in. The arc measure is 300 degrees because arc measure is an angle measure. Now I want to find the actual distance that I covered as I walked there. So we're going to set up a proportion. So we know that the arc is 300 degrees out of a total of 360 degrees. So this is going to represent the arc length out of the entire circumference. So let's go ahead and reduce 300 over 360. Feel free to use your calculator if you're not sure how to use your calculator to help you reduce. Make sure you ask your teacher. So 300 over 360 is 5/6. And you don't necessarily have to reduce it. It just makes the number smaller. And we're going to let the arc length be x because that's what we're solving for. And we know that circumference is 2 pi r. So that's going to be 2 times pi times a radius of 6. So we have our proportion and we just need to solve that. So I have 5 over 6 is equal to x over 12 pi. I'm going to leave it in terms of pi because it makes my numbers a little bit easier. And then I'm going to cross multiply. Okay, so I've got 6 times x is 6x equals, and then 12 pi times 5, that's going to be 60 pi. I'm solving for x, so I need to divide both sides by 6. And those cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to 10 pi, which is about 31.4. So my arc length is 31.4, and my units are feet. Make sure you don't forget your units. Alright, so feel free to rewatch the video. Make sure you get help if you need it. And we'll see you in the next video.